are on our way to Jacksonville, which is around 2 hours away from Orlando, surprisingly. And you may ask why. Well, finally, we are going to be able to pick up my family friends, a Quaker Parrot, and we're so excited because we've been talking about this for months, because unfortunately they do have to move and of course cannot take the bird with them. So you know, me and Aaron love animals, so we're so excited we're gonna go pick them up. Price of gas did go up. Oh my goodness, what's going on? Regular is $3.79, mid is $4.19, and premium is $4.54.
It was under $3 a gallon.
Oh, yeah.
Good thing I get 5 to 10 cents off.
Oh, you are so cool. Hold on, this is bothering me. It's a piece of oh, let's try it again.
5 cents.
5 cents off. Oh, you're still bougie, huh? Yeah, you're part of the VIP?
I'm part of every gas VIP.
Oh my God, Brittany, what is your energy drink of the day?
I have the Alani Cotton Candy. Oh.
Not sponsored either.
Alani, if you're watching this, Bang and Red Bull have not reached out, so Alani.
Get it while you can.
Get it while you can. You'll regret it if you don't, because just wait. Give us 6 months. We're gonna be the biggest thing on the internet.
You just don't know it yet. That sounds so humble. the biggest thing on the internet.
No, I'm humble. I'm just speaking it into existence.
And by the way, I know some of you are gonna comment down below that I look like one of the rats from Shrek. All I'm missing is a cane with the glasses.
The 3 blind mice.
Oh, and don't remember what collection this is, but a little fun fact about me, that it's not so fun for those who live with me, because I love my cup collection.
No,
but you can never thirst. You'll never thirst. They have different sizes.
If you don't have anything to put in them.
So this is a Starbucks collection, the Grande. It was a pink, what is this called? The ombre? Pink ombre. I love it.
That's what you say.
It has a little. Hold on, it's just ASMR. Guys, I'm so excited for this bird. It's been months. Apparently, the bird is bilingual. They've had him for 16 years, and his name is Tito. Tito. He unfortunately has, way before they had them, he used to get bullied by little kids. So our goal now is to, you know, train him with getting comfortable with human touch. So of course we give him respect and his boundaries, but we want to slowly, Aaron is actually going to slowly do the training.
Time for my white girl dances.
Guys, I got away with it. He told me, oh, after we pick up the bird, we go to Buc-ee's in Jacksonville, because we've been to the one in Daytona, which is close to our home. And guess who needs to pee now? Over here. Guess what was the only thing nearby? Buc-ee's. So it seems like every month they have a new collection. I need a pair of these PJs. Oh my goodness, talk about capitalism here in the United States. You guys, look how awesome this is. Such a stamp. Here we got the 2X, the 2X.
Fits.
Do the turn. Do the turn. Ooh. Sasquatch right there. We've spotted him. Hi, Sasquatch.
What's up?
He loves the soda. So did you know you got?
They make their own soda.
They make their own soda.
It's real sugar, not high fructose corn syrup.
And this is what happens when you go to Buc-ee's. ¿Puede escuchar bien o no? ¿O está ya media sordilla?
Está media sordilla.
Ay, Sally,
bebecito.
bonita. Hola, Titito. Ay, Dios mío. ¿Nunca has viajado, Tito? ¿Y cómo te fue el viaje? Muy bien. ¿Se portó bien?
Súper bien.
Ay.
Eres un ángel.
Oh.
He actually looks happy.
Él es un ángel, nada más que para que ahora lo cojan, tiene que meterle un guante.
Try to have him lick you again. Oh.
No, Tito. You're a good bird.
Es que él se hizo así porque un nieto mío, bello. Tome, papi. Mira, poner café. Toma café también.
Sí, gracias. You drink coffee, right?
Of course.
You have to put the seats down for sure.
We might make it. We'll see.
Here we have Tito's cage with his food and his bed. Oh, and his little bathtub.
Esta nueva.
Oh. Tito's house, not going to our house. Good job. You knew how to play Tetris too?
Always.
Aaron, esto es leche pinito. So this is powdered milk from Costa Rica. You're gonna try it for the first time with your coffee. Okay?
How much? One more?
That's good. That's good. That's good.
I like it creamy though.
Okay, then there. And then we have apple pie, homemade apple pie, and we're getting homemade bread right now. Delicioso.
What is it?
Esto es pan casero, fresh home bread.
It's better than your mom's.
What? Well, we don't have leche finito, that's why it's hard to
I
find.
know.
But it's good, right?
It's delicious. Tito.
Hola, titos. ¿Cómo estás, Tito? Sally, ¿cómo tienes 16 años, cosita?
¿Cómo estás?
Perdón. ¿Cómo tienes 16 años, bella? Wow, ¿cuál es tu secreto, ah? Aaron, you came for Tito or you came for fish?
I don't know. It turned out to be both.
I can't hear you. What?
Turned out to be both.
Be careful. Ah, the scary part for me, guys, is when you go back.
Over there.
Technical errors. Technical
Going
errors.
over there too.
We got stuck. Aaron got stuck.
Here, I got it.
Dice que lo agarra
I got long
por
arms.
la altura y ¡Yay!
Mira.
Good?
Yep.
¿Qué pasó?
Mira los pantalones.
Oh my God, your pants.
Oh well. They're just pants.
Dice, solo son pantalones, no importa.
Fish where there's structure. Where there's structure, there's fish. Trees, rocks, culverts, any place there's structure. Those aren't coming off.
Try to do it again, try to do it again.
They're stuck to me now. Vamos, Tito. We're good, we're good. We're going for a ride.
In a little rocket ship.
You ready, Tito? Push that over so it doesn't make too much noise.
Tito, we're buckling you in, puppy.
We're going on a trip. All the way to
Tito, ¿listo, papi? Ok, vamos. Tito, Tito. Hola, cosita linda. ¿Estás viendo que papá te está haciendo la jaula? ¿Lo estás viendo, Tito? Sí. Ok, a ver si lo hace bien, ¿verdad? Para que te quedes muy confortable con mucho espacio, ¿sí? Like a bird. Munchie, that's your new roommate. He lives with us. That's your brother. Yes, his name is Tito. Yes, it's okay. He's safe. He's gonna be living with us. Yes, your new buddy. You're climbing up higher so you can see him? Wow, Tito. Qué bonito. Estás con paparón. Sounds like pepperoni.
Paparón.
Paparón. Aww. His first time actually jumping onto you, and it's just the next day. So you're Pirate now? You're not a
I'm a
Sasquatch?
pirate. He's gonna stick with me all day.
Oh. ¡Qué lindo! Dale un besito, un besito. Besito. Me when I'm mad. Un besito. Just a boy and his parrot.
Pretty much.
In Chihuahua. Mua. Eso, besitos, eso. No.
Why do you like my beard hair so much, huh? Is that how you relieve stress?
I think he thinks he's a... Oh, lovely. He just pooped. I think he thinks he's a monkey or a gorilla, not a parrot.
He's grooming me.
Yeah, he's grooming you. Can you guys tell we're obsessed with Bucky's? Bucky's shirt, Bucky's pillow. Ooh, poopies. And it's not Munchie's poopies. Munchies. Come here, Munchies.
Wait, you want to clean it up?
You better... Is that your pupus? That's not your pupus. That's not Munchie's pupus. Munchie said, no, that's not my pupus. No, no, no.